Hello everybody, my name is Tadej Kodric from CGSLABS, and today I'm going to show you our product Aquaterra, which is made for canal and river engineering design. So I'm going also show you how to combine it with MIKE HYDRO software made by DHI company. But first let's go to see which software we support. So the supported CAD platforms are AutoCAD, then AutoCAD Civil 3D and AutoCAD Map 3D. So if we take a look which versions we are supporting from 2011 up to the 2016. We also support BricsCAD software with versions 13, 14 and 15. So about Aquaterra software packages, we have two packages, the standard and ultimate 4D. The main difference is the MIKE 11 and 21 interface, which is included in ultimate 4D, but it's not included in standard package. All other modules are the same. Okay, so we can go to our presentation, and I'm going to show you a small example here. So first of all, I'm going to start and to create some new project, and I'm going to name it like webcast, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to click OK. And here we see on the left side our axis manager. Now we are going to input the points from file, and I'm going just to find them, program files, CGS, and at example here I see our example file. I'm going to open it, and here you see the preview of this file. Now I'm going to import those files with click OK, and here you see those files, those points inside our drawing. Now we are ready to draw some tangent polygon, and I'm going to start at the top of my existing river channel, and I'm going to follow this channel here inside, somewhere in the middle, and here I'm going outside the channel because this is the part where there is no existing channel yet. So this is the part which I need to design. And here I'm going back to the channel, the old channel, and I'm just going to the end of it, and here it is. So we are ready with this alignment, and now I'm going just slightly to move the vertex at point 4, and here it is. I'm just going a little bit more to the left side. Okay, so if we are satisfied with our alignment, we are ready to draw section lines here, and I'm going to draw section lines through points, and I'm going to choose the ordinary regression. So here we see our cross lines, cross sections, and we can drape those cross sections to the terrain, and we have two options. We can drape them to points, or we can drape them to DTM if we have some DTM created. For example, CGS DTM or Civil 3D Detail. Okay, so now we are going to draw the terrain in a profile view. So here is my profile view, and here you see our terrain. So now I'm going to draw the vertical alignment. I'm going to draw it from point 15 to point 6. So this is the part where we need to create new channel. So at the bottom we see the slope and the alignment elevations. And now we are all ready to create the draw terrain in cross sections. And we click OK. Here we see our cross sections. Okay, so I'm just going to type the command point type to see better the vertical alignment inside the drawing. Click OK. Now here you see our vertical alignments inside cross sections. So with this we are ready to draw some channel here, and I'm going to do some channels with 3 meters width and 2 meter depth, and also slope left and right 1 to 1. Okay, so here we see our new channel, and we can do also some dike here. So the dike is 2 meter width and slope 1 to 1. Okay, and on the left side we see our bank, and we are going to do the same for the right side. Okay, so now here we see the banks, and if we take a look through the cross sections, we just check if everything is okay. Okay, here we see we need to do some small extent to the existing terrain, so I'm going to pick the command extend here, and here it is. I'm going to extend it to the existing terrain. Okay, I'm just selecting the edge, and I'm going to select the element, and here it is. So in this case we are ready to create some new terrain. We are going to assemble the terrain line. I'm going to check all the new elements, and I'm going to create my new terrain, and I'm going to make it current. Okay, so I'm going to make it current, and you see now we have the green line, which means that we have successfully created the new terrain. This is important because this new terrain we are going to import in Mike software. Okay, so now we are ready to save the files. We are going to save the terrain file. So this is the cross-section file, and I'm going to save it to the desktop. Then we need to do some terrain analyze also, so we are going to analyze the left and right banks of the channel, and our software is doing it automatically. So automatically we see the left and right bank. Okay, so again we are ready to save this file to the desktop, and I'm just going to choose left and right bank and click OK. And finally I'm going to save elements from the layout, and I'm going to save them also to the desktop. So I'm going to choose the save section lines command, and here I'm going to save it. Okay, and here we need to say enter, Okay, so let's go on. We are going to utility, ribbon, and we are going to export sections to Mike 11. So I'm going to create an output file. So the name is cross sections, and I'm just going to save it to the desktop. It's the text file, and with convert button I'm going to create a new file. Okay, so the conversion was succeeded, and I'm going to close this file. And now let's do the second step. So the second step is to export the axis file. Again, I'm going to name it, and I'm going to save it. Okay. Now we are ready to go to the part 2, and let's open Mike 0. And here, after we open Mike 0, we are going to create new file, and we are going to name it webcast. And for that example, I already prepared few files. So the first is called axis the network, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to import the file from Aquaterra. So through point and branch data, I open this file in Mike, and very similar is to import the cross sections file. So again, here are our Aquaterra cross sections. So here it is. Through file import raw data, I can get all those data inside Mike. Okay, so there is also boundary file which I need to create, and I need to create the simulation file, because in this simulation file I'm going to gather all those files. So I'm going to choose the model, which will be only hydrodynamic, and in input files I'm going to gather all those files, so the network, the cross sections, and the boundary file. And when I save this file, we are ready to create new file, which is our new Mike Hydro file. So the Mike Hydro, and click OK. And now we are going through Mike Hydro setup wizard, and we are going easily through it. So we are just going to choose the model type, which will be river. It will be hydrodynamic simulation. I'm going to give some title here. And now we are going to define the coordinates, which will be local in this case. I'm going next, and we have no background map in this case, so I'm just going next, and again next for working area, and after that just click on finish. And here it is. It's our new graphical user interface of Mike Hydro. So I must say it's very nice user interface, very user friendly, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to import from Mike 11 simulation file, which created before. I'm just going to open it, and with this command, here it is. It's our channel. It's our channel from Aquaterra, our example, and you see it. We can choose between map view or the cross-section view. So here are our branch. Here is our branch, and I'm going to show you how efficient you can combine the map view and the cross-section view. So I'm going to choose some edit button here, and here it is. You see now at the upper part we have our network, and in the bottom you see its cross section. So you can plot those files, you can add some profiles, you can select easily, and also you can do some other comments if you need. Okay, so if we are satisfied with our file, with our model, we are ready to do the simulation. So we just save those results and we can run the simulation. Okay, so let's run the simulation, and we are just going to name it the Mike Hydro webcast, just to know which file it is. Okay, we click OK, the simulation starts. So in this case it's very fast because it's a small example, and that's it. So we are ready for part 3. So now I'm going to show you the part 3, and in this case I'm going to import the file we just created in Mike. I'm going to import this file back to Aquaterra. So this is our result file. I'm going to open it. I'm just going to name it as normal profile, so normal water level, and I'm going to convert this file. The conversion is succeeded, and I'm going to close it. So first I'm going to cross sections to see this water surface in cross sections. So it's already here. I'm just going to click OK, and here it is. It's in our cross sections. So we see the level of the water here, and of course we can add as many water levels we want in this case. Now I'm going to repeat this command for profile view, and here you see it's our water level also in profile view. Okay, so when we are satisfied with water levels, we can do some cross-section editing, some cross-section elements. First I'm going to show you how to do some channel lining here. So our element label is the lining, and I'm going to choose one of cross sections, doesn't matter which, because all will be the same. And I'm going to say what's my thickness, and here it is. It's our channel lining in all cross sections, of course. Okay, after that I am ready to do some planimetry here. So I'm going to choose the elements of my channel, and first I'm going to choose my cut element here, and secondly I'm going to choose the fill element. So I'm going to choose the reference element, it's my all terrain, and after that I'm going to choose my second polygon step by step, and here it is, also our fill elements. So we see cut and fill here, and we are ready to create the quantity takeoff. So let's go to quantity takeoff comment, and I'm going to insert it in drawing and also save it to file. Okay, I'm going to repeat for summary of those elements and click OK, and here it is. You see the table of the quantity takeoffs. At the end we see the sum of the fill and cut, and also we can see those inside the cross sections. Okay, let's go on. I'm going to show you how to dimension slope on the left side of the bank and the same way on the right side. It's very easy. And also I can show you how to create some elevation symbol. Here it is, you see the label elevation ink, also for the bottom of the channel and also for the right side of the bank. Here it is, you see, we can see those elements in all cross sections. And now we can do some terrain analysis, so we are just going to automatically see the left and right bank, and I'm going to connect them with profile. And here you see now we are finished with profile view because you also input the left and right bank. Okay, and now finally I'm going to show you how to import all those elements also in layout view. Okay, and here it is, you see now the elements are also in layout, so our new channel is finished. Okay, and because we are finished, we can also export those elements in Google Earth. So I'm going to create some file, export file, and I'm going to choose the country, the Slovenia, and name it and save it. Okay, and okay, this is our file which we can open in Google Earth. Now I'm going to show you also a small example of our module Mike 21 interface, where I'm going to show you how to export the FS file and import it in Mike Flood software. So first I'm going to create a 2D grid, our computational grid, and I'm going to rotate it similar to my example, and I'm going to start here and up to the top of the drawing, and here it's our computational grid. It's very simple to move it, and I can also extend it on the both direction. I can extend it on the right side, I can extend it a little bit to the left. And when we are satisfied, we just go to the second command. It's called get grid coordinates, and with this get grid coordinates here we see the coordinates which are normally in Mike softwares. So after that I'm going to export this file. I'm going to save this bathymetry, and here it's also the function to create my land value already here, and I can also close the boundaries and I can save it to the desktop, and in this case it is finished and ready to export it to Mike software. And here it is. We click OK. We just created the FS file. Okay, and now when we create some computation in Mike software, we of course get some results, and I'm going to show you how to import those results back in Aquaterra. So again, I'm going to my Aquaterra MIKE 21 interface. In this case, I'm going to button MIKE 21 results, and I'm going to choose our DFS file with results, and I'm going to choose the parameters which I want to see, and here it is. Here are the results from MIKE simulation. Okay, now let's go to some localization here. So our CGS+ software solutions, in this case Aquaterra, support number of languages. So we support the English language, the German, also Croatian, Serbian and Slovenian for now. So about support, so CGS+ support provides some local first line technical support, and we also provide some direct online technical support. So in first case, the local technical support is in local language through our reseller network, and the online direct access is to our technical support through phone or email. And let's finally take a look about our references. So first, maybe Lechmar, which is a very big international company, also Poiri company. Then we have the Institute for Water Development of Jaroslav Cherny in Belgrade. I could mention also the ADT Omega company from Greece, the IPZIP from Croatia, a very big company, and finally, for example, Institute of Water, Republic Slovenia. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you for listening. My name is Tadej Kodric, and thank you and goodbye.
In this second part of today's webcast, we would like to present you the commercial options customers have in order to buy CGS+ software solutions. My name is Leon Leban and I'm responsible for the technical sales in CGS+. I will be starting with a brief overview of the CGS+ software portfolio, which includes 3 product lines. First, CGS+ infrastructure solutions provide complete CAD-based design solutions for designing of roads, railways, canal and river engineering works, and overhead power lines. Second, CGS+ applications are derivatives from CGS+ infrastructure solutions, providing specific functionalities like vehicle swept path analysis, traffic design and reporting, and flood analysis CAD software tool. Last, CGS+ offers to Autodesk Civil 3D users a set of tools to complement Civil 3D functionalities and increase the productivity while working with it. CGS+ infrastructure solutions are available in different software packages that cover a wide price range. For road design, for example, Platea is available in Standard, Professional 3D and Ultimate 4D package in order to address various customer needs. Ferrovia for railway design is also available in Standard, Professional 3D and Ultimate 4D software package, while Aquaterra, the canal and river works design solution, is only available in Standard and Ultimate 4D package, first with HEC-RAS module included and latest with the MIKE 11 and 22 interface. There are various purchase options available for CGS+ products. Platea, Ferrovia, Aquaterra and Electra, for example, can be purchased as a permanent license, where this license can be a standalone or network license, and it can include CGS+ subscription or not, and these customers always get some volume discounts or extra discounts for multiple license purchase. for permanent license. Speaking about CGS Plus subscription, it brings the following advantages. So clients get all new versions in the period of subscription period, which is 1 year. They get additional home use license option available. They can use older version of CGS Plus software, for example on older AutoCAD versions, and they can also get multiple CGS Plus localized software versions. For example, beside English installation they can also use German localized version of the CGS Plus software. Users can also rent CGS Plus licenses, and rental options are for 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. And the license rental already includes CGS software subscription with all the advantages before mentioned. And there's a third very attractive purchase option called CGS Plus financing, which enables faster and easier transition to CGS Plus software for companies of all sizes basically. The CGS Plus financing gives users the options to buy one license, which can be paid in 12 monthly rates, and receive additional 4 licenses, temporary licenses, for the period of that 1 year monthly payment. After 1 year, the contract can be prolonged, for example, for another year, which repeats the procedure. 1 license purchased and 4 additional temporary licenses for 1 year to be used. Therefore, equipping 5 working places with the licenses from the beginning. CGS Plus financing includes CGS software subscription. It includes the CGS Plus support, and there's also and always possibility for early repayment or contract termination. In this picture is just an overview of examples, just to compare various paying options, licenses types, with the permanent license, without CGS Plus subscription, with CGS Plus subscription, license rental, and CGS Plus financing. And just basically from this graph, the CGS Plus financing, in order what customer gets, is the most attractive method CGS offers to their client. Okay, just another overview. So basically there are 3 ways of buying CGS software: with permanent license, license rental, and CGS Plus financing. If interested in our products, just go to our webpage cgsplus.com, click to the software you're interested, click on the buy and request a trial option. Just fill in the quote and you will get all the additional information. Thank you for your attention. You can get more information at our web pages or contact us directly at info@cgsplus.com. Thank you and bye.